Good morning, XOP, and a blessed day to all of you. Today, God would just like to remind you that we should never throw away our faith. As it is stated in Matthew 17:20, because you have so little faith, I urge you, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. That's what Jesus said to the disciples. That even if they have so little faith, God will enable them to do greater things. And this is just the encouragement of God to us. That we should not wallow in despair. We should not become very, very anxious when we feel like our faith is not big enough. But the promise of God is that as our faith grows, so does our potential to overcome the obstacles and the trials that comes along the way. So do not feel heavy, do not feel anxious when there are big trials and you feel like you have so little faith. Because God can do so much with the little faith that you have. The only thing that you should never do is to have unbelief in your heart. Never for a second doubt the power of God. When God said little faith, it means you have that kind of faith, but it's just inexperience or it's just starting to grow in the presence of God. You're just starting to learn more about Him. But it doesn't mean that you have little to nothing faith or a faith that is dead. Remember, James said that faith without action is dead. And Jesus said that if you have a small faith, if it is focusing on the will of God and if it is focusing on the power of God, then that little faith can make you do greater things. And nothing will be impossible for you. Just as what Jesus said, to man, nothing is possible, but to God, everything is possible. So let us always focus our eyes on the one who makes things possible. We might be surrounded with things that are impossible, that are so hard to overcome, so big obstacles that are hard to overcome, but always focus on the one who makes things possible. The secret is focusing on Jesus, making Jesus the center of it all. So just a reminder again, it doesn't matter if you have small faith. What matters more is if you are putting your faith on the one who can increase that and who can make things possible. I hope you are blessed. God bless you all.